Welcome to Namkos Progress Bar. In this video, I'll show you how to install the app and get started. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the app installed and ready to boost your store's average order value. Namkos Progress Bar helps you increase sales by showing customers their progress toward free shipping, discounts, or free gifts. Let's get started. The easiest way to install the app is through our website. Go to namkos.com in your browser. On the homepage, click on Apps in the navigation menu. Here you'll see our available apps. Click on Namkos Progress Bar to learn more about it. On this page, you can see all the features and documentation. When you're ready, click the Install on Shopify button. This will redirect you directly to the Shopify App Store. And here we are in the Shopify App Store, ready to install. Alternatively, you can also find the app by searching directly in the Shopify App Store. Just go to your Shopify admin, click on Apps, then Shopify App Store, and type Namkos Progress Bar in the search bar. On this page, you can see screenshots of the app in action and a full feature description. Take a moment to review if you'd like. When you're ready, click the Install button. Shopify will now show you the permissions this app requires. Let me explain what each one means. Customers. Used for analytics and tracking which customers interact with your progress bars. Store owner. Needed to identify your store and display correct settings. Edit products. Allows the app to show product recommendations to help customers reach the goal. View orders. Tracks when orders qualify for promotions so we can update your analytics. View and sync discounts. Creates and manages automatic discounts when customers reach the goal. View your online store. Displays the progress bars on your theme. These are standard Shopify requirements for Shopify apps, and your data is always secure. Click Install to continue. The app is now installing. This usually takes just a few seconds. And here we are, the Namkos Progress Bar dashboard. This is your command center for managing all your progress bars and promotions. At the very top, you'll see your current plan. After installation, you start on the launch plan, which is our free plan. This plan is completely free forever, with no credit card required. You can upgrade to a higher plan at any time. Paid plans include a 7-day free trial, so you can test all premium features before being charged. Let me give you a quick tour of the dashboard. On the left, you'll find the main navigation. Advanced Analytics gives you detailed performance insights. Pricing Plans shows all plan details and upgrade options. And Namkos Apps shows our other apps available in the Shopify App Store. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see your plan usage banner. This shows your current plan, how many views you've used this month, and when your monthly limit resets. Below that is the app status component. This shows whether everything is set up correctly. Right now, you might see some items showing as incomplete. That's normal for a fresh installation. The main area shows your promotions list. Since this is a new installation, it will be empty. We'll create your first promotion in a later video. Below promotions, you'll see the analytics section. This shows key metrics like views, add to carts, and revenue. Some metrics are available on all plans, while others unlock on growth or accelerate plans. For more detailed analytics, visit the Advanced Analytics page in the navigation. At the bottom, you'll find support resources, including links to our Help Center, FAQ guide, and our website. Before you can use the app, there's one critical step. You need to enable the app embed in your theme. Without this, your progress bars won't appear on your store. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the app embed and understand the app status component. Click the link to continue to the next video, or check the description for the full tutorial playlist. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Namkos Progress Bar.